the first one is holosomatics. So when we are talking about consciousness, how we understand consciousness, this consciousness use few bodies to manifest in different dimensions. In those bodies, they have characteristics that allows the consciousness to manifest in those dimensions. That's why we talk about holosomatics and multidimensionality. So the first body we're gonna study, it's the one that is very, very familiar to all of us. It's our physical body. Since the day we're born to the day we die, we spend most of the time linked with this body. It's our physical body. So it's the body that age, it's the body that needs the sex, it's the body that will suffer pain, it's the body that we need to feed, we need to comb, we need to shower, and so on. No? And all the time, it's the body that's present for us and presents the five senses that we are very familiar, our vision, our sense, our taste, and so on. So the second body, it's a body that interconnects the physical body to the more subtle body, which is the energetical body. This energetical body, it's referred as a hollow chakra. What does it mean, hollow? Hollow, the set, chakras, the center of energy. So that's the hollow chakra. So also known as a vital body. It's very well known by Chinese medicine when they work with acupuncture or they work with digital pressure. They are working with those energetic points in our body. So in reality, this body will glue our physical body to our more subtle body, the psychosome, emotional body, and mental body. So when we are all here together, okay, now that's all we are here, sitting and pay attention in this exposition. Those bodies, they exist like, do you know those Russian balls? Oh, dolls, not Russian balls, Russian dolls. You know, that one interconnect existing with inside of another. It's more or less like this. The difference is that each of those dolls, they have different frequency. And so they allow us to manifest in these different dimensions. The more subtle one is the psychosome, emotional body. That's the body where we're going to have an out-of-body experience. That's the body that when, depend on our dissoma, when we deactivate the body, is the body that we're going to stay between lives. And Ligia will be talking about a little bit later about this. And this is why we call this emotional body, because when we manifest with this body, we have a tendency to perceive our emotions a little bit more clearly. This is the body that it doesn't age, it doesn't pain, it's not feel pain. It's a body that usually the ghosts, they manifest with this body. And but it's the body that we're gonna stay with this body for a long period of time throughout our evolution. Then we have a more subtle body, which is the mental body. This is the body where we have our hollow memory or the set of our memories. And this is the body that when we have an out-of-body experience with this body, it's knowing as well as enlightenment or expansion of consciousness. So we can have an out-of-body experience with the psychosoma, with the mental soma, and we can have a projection of our energies when we exteriorize our energies towards other people or towards the environment, okay?